I'm a kiwi bird.
I'm a kiwi egg.
Yeah, we know. It's hatching. Oh no. It have only been 65 to 90 days. Use his brain. Oh, that's how long it takes to hatch.
Hi.
I'm going to get some food.
Okay.
Hi, little kid.
What are you?
Your worst nightmare.
What's a nightmare?
Were you born like yesterday?
Today actually.
Anyways, I'm a stoat. Stoats eat kiwi birds' #1 predator. I'm going to eat you.
Do it then.
Okay?
I'm back.
Who are you?
Her mom, I guess.
Why did you say it like that?
Because a hunter's about to shoot you. You was weird.
I know.
Oh, and I brought you a frog.
Eats.
Oh, and if you see a weirdo like that stoat thing, just disappear into the forest because our feathers blend in. That is the main way that us kiwis escape.
First day of school.
Question you ask.
Yes. What's the population of the kiwi birds?
Oh. It's estimated there were once about 12 million kiwi, but by 1998 the population had plummeted to fewer than 100,000 birds. By 2008 that figure had fallen even further to about 70,000 total.
We're moving.
Why?
I don't know.
Where?
I don't know.
Looks on Birdle, aka Google. It says here, kiwi are adaptable, but live in a huge range of habitats, from native forest and scrub to rough farmland and plantation forests, right through to sand dunes, snowy tussocks, and even mangroves. They especially like places where stands of trees run down to rivers.
Okay. But when?
When
When did I ask?
Not over yet, let's share some facts.
In most kiwi varieties, the typical clutch size is 1 egg. The exception is brown kiwi, which usually lay 2 eggs in a clutch, sometimes even 3. Although enormous, the egg is laid quickly, and for brown kiwi and little spotted kiwi females their work is then done. The end for now.